Hey squad, welcome back to Prepping with Sarge. Today I have with me the Jase Pantry 30-day food supply variety kit. This thing is awesome. So as preppers, you guys know, one of the first things that we do is we make sure we've got our food supply and our water supply all squared away, a way to purify water, a way to store water, and then your long-term food storage, as much as you can afford with as much space that you can afford to spare, right? And I like to, in our family, we like to do a mix of canned goods, dry goods, stuff that we use every week, some dehydrated stuff that I grow in the garden, some canned stuff that we've canned up from the garden, and I like to have some long-term food storage stuff too. In this company here that I've been working with, I've got a discount code for you. I love Jase Medical. I've been working with them for years. This is one of their newer products, the Jase Pantry, where they've got your long-term food supply covered. Let's check this out together. All right, so this variety kit comes with this easy to carry bucket. It's got the carry handles there. It is approximately, it weighs a little over 36 pounds. This is a 30-day food supply for one person. So if you're using two people, you're thinking 15-day supply at 21 calories per day. I'm sorry, 2,100 calories per day. So that's the first thing that's important to notice here. A lot of these like emergency supply buckets that you'll see advertised, especially in the ads on prepper channels, are down to like 1,100 calories per day, 1,500 calories per day. For a man my size, that's not gonna be enough, right? So you've got about 400 servings here, 63,400 total calories, about 57 grams of protein per day. They're easy to prepare. Let's open this up, take a look, and there's numerous different meals in here. As you can see, we're gonna prepare one of them today so you can see what it's like. And one quick side note I wanna mention is that when you first open this bucket, it's going to be sealed really good. That's good. We want it to be airtight, pest and rodent free. So you're gonna wanna use a pair of pliers to open it up, and then once you get it going, there's a little tab you'll need to break with the pliers, and once you get it going, you zip around. It took me a minute to get it done, but that's good. You want it to be sealed really well. So when you go inside here, you've got numerous meals to prepare. We've got hearty potato stew, and we'll do different videos with these as time goes on. I'll show you some different stuff. We've got an electrolyte drink mix. I love that. Let's see, we've got brown sugar oatmeal on that one, and it's got your instructions on how to make it right on the cover, folks. These are sealed really good. That's airtight, I can feel it. And they're resealable, as you can see on the top with the zipper, right? So there's a, you peel it, you cut it away, and then there's a zipper up at the top here, so you can close it back up. Let's see, which one do we want to prepare today? Ooh, we got some buttery herb pasta. Some savory beans and rice. Well, that's a prepper favorite, isn't it? So maybe we'll do that one today. And let's give you a peek at the different meals that come with this variety pack. We've got brown sugar oatmeal, creamy wheat cereal, multigrain cereal, Spanish rice, chicken flavored rice orzo pilaf, beans and rice, buttery herb pasta, electrolyte drink mix, the creamy cinnamon rice pudding, hearty potato stew, yum, cheddar broccoli rice, yum, one of my favorites, campfire stew, yum, and cheddar cheese grits. I am personally not a grits fan, but you let me know down in the comments if you like them. All right, so now, of course, follow the directions, make sure you got your measurements right. And of course you can do this on the stovetop. We being preppers, we like to test our gear and what would we do if the power was out and we had to use an alternative cooking source. And of course, I like to use this stuff when I'm camping as well. So I'm just working with my little solo stove outside today. We're gonna let this come to a boil. This is the beans and rice. Oh yeah, baby, it's done. We just gotta let this cool a little bit, and then we're gonna give you our taste test. All right, this is the moment of truth. Beans and rice is such a staple for the prepper community, so we want this to be good. And I'm gonna give you a close up here. You can see it's actually got a little bit of carrots in there. Still nice and warm, just came off that fire. Oh yeah, that's gonna hit the spot. And in fact, I'm gonna be going camping next week. I'm gonna bring some of this rice and beans with me. Jase Pantry, check this out. You could add a little bit to this if you wanted to, if you want to spice yours up with some soy sauce or whatever. But honestly, I'm somebody who likes things a little bit salty, and this feels seasoned enough for me without adding anything to it. Now, one more thing. As a prepper, you probably are growing a garden, you're probably into fishing, you're probably into hunting. You could add your proteins to this. You could add, some of your peppers from your garden to this to flavor it up a little bit more, and it's going to extend it a little bit. So maybe you don't have to use as much if you're able to supplement with stuff that you're growing or hunting as a prepper. All right, this is good stuff, guys. Make sure you check this out, Jase Pantry. I ain't kidding, folks. This is really good. I'm gonna go finish this. All right, folks, that is the Jase Pantry 30-day food supply variety kit. Make sure you're checking their website. There could be other features, other products being added in the future. You just never know. Let's go ahead and flash that discount code that I promised you and a QR code here, make it easy for you. All you got to do is scan that QR code. It'll take you right to Jase Medical, where you can go ahead and go into the Jase Pantry, order your kit for your family today. If you've got multiple people in your family, a family of 4, maybe think about ordering 4 of these. Stick them in a closet, set it and forget it. One of the great things that we like about long-term foods like this is you can put them away and they're going to be good for a really long time. Little peace of mind for your family, all right? Folks, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to check in the description down below for some other products and discount codes that I think you'll like. Keep planting your seeds, keep stacking your silver. This is Prepping with Sarge.